Never underestimate the power packed into the compact frames of the best mini PCs. These diminutive yet robust devices offer unparalleled flexibility in where and how you work. From streaming videos to gaming, coding, and office tasks, mini PCs have become the go-to choice, discreetly replacing traditional desktops and laptops. Their versatility, coupled with their affordability, makes them a compelling option for a wide range of users. Whether you're casually browsing the internet or tackling demanding tasks like gaming and video editing, top-tier mini PCs rise to the challenge with ease. In our quest to assist you in finding the ideal model, we've curated a selection of the 5 finest mini PCs, highlighting their standout features. Additionally, we've provided essential considerations to aid you in making a well-informed decision. Before we delve into our video showcasing these mini PCs, we're thrilled to share an exciting update with you. As part of the CompareTech Hub community, once we reach 1,000 subscribers, we'll be hosting a giveaway of one of the surprise products we've reviewed to a lucky follower. To stand a chance to win, simply continue supporting us by following, liking, and commenting on our channel. Let's work together to reach our goal of 1,000 subscribers. Links to all the products featured in the video can be found in the descriptions below. Without further ado, let's dive into our video. Number 5 is the MSI Pro DP21, which may be bulkier than an Intel NUC or NUC Pro 2.2x 8x 8.2 in size, but it's a mere fraction of the size of typical mid-tower desktops dominating the budget market. Despite its compact form, the MSI Pro DP21 delivers impressive performance, whether placed horizontally on your desk, vertically with the included stand, or discreetly mounted behind a monitor or under your desk using a VESA mount. Starting at just $329, our unit comes equipped with a quad-core Intel Core i3 processor, 8 GB of memory, a 256 GB solid-state drive, Windows 11 Home, and basic peripherals. A USB keyboard and mouse. For those seeking an affordable entry into the world of mini PCs without the hassle of assembling bare-bones kits, the DP21 proves to be an excellent option. While the 4 antiquated USB 2.0 ports on the front panel may not be particularly useful, the DP21 boasts an array of modern connectivity options. This includes 4 USB 3.2 ports, 3 Type-A, 1 Type-C, 4K HDMI, and DisplayPort outputs, Gigabit Ethernet, and audio jacks on the front panel. Additionally, Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth capabilities are available internally, along with support for up to 64 GB of RAM, 2 2.5-inch drives, and an M.2 SSD. What's more, the DP21 offers the possibility of upgrading to an Intel 12th Gen CPU, a departure from the typical fixed mobile processors found in mini PCs. With such versatility and performance packed into its compact frame, the MSI Pro DP21 is a compelling choice for those seeking a capable and affordable mini PC solution. Number 4 is the Beelink SER6 Pro 7735HS, offering formidable competition to the latest Intel NUC 13 Pro. Contrary to popular belief, the SER6 Pro 7735HS is powered by the latest AMD Ryzen 7000 mobile technology, matching or even surpassing the performance of Intel's 13th Gen Silicon. With an AMD Ryzen 7000 series processor boasting 8 cores and 16 threads, coupled with 32 GB of DDR5, 4800 RAM, and a Gen 4 NVMe drive, this mini PC delivers exceptional power and efficiency. Equipped with Thunderbolt connectivity, a 2.5 GB LAN port, and Intel Wi-Fi 6E AX2211, users can expect a seamless user experience. Although currently available with only one SKU featuring 32 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage, the SER6 Pro 7735HS can be easily upgraded to 64 GB of RAM and at least 2 TB of storage through drop-in replacements. The only drawback lies in the placement of the Thunderbolt port on the front panel, whereas a rear placement might have been more convenient for users with docking stations. Nevertheless, the SER6 Pro 7735HS offers exceptional value, delivering high performance at a price point approximately $300 lower than the Intel NUC 13 Pro. With its potent combination of power, efficiency, and affordability, the Beelink SER6 Pro 7735HS is a compelling choice for users seeking a mini PC capable of handling demanding tasks without breaking the bank. Number 3 is the Intel NUC 12 Pro, representing the latest iteration of Intel's next unit of computing, NUC initiative. The NUC 12 Pro packs a punch despite its compact 4.4-inch footprint, with the capability to accommodate up to 8 terabytes of storage and 64 GB of RAM. This mini PC offers impressive scalability. Our tested Core i7 1260p unit, priced at $1064, includes a 512 GB solid-state drive and 16 GB of memory. Both pre-built and barebone kit options are available, although neither includes an operating system, necessitating the purchase of a Windows license unless opting for Linux or Chrome. Powered by a Core i7 chip and Iris Xe integrated graphics, the NuC12 Pro delivers robust productivity performance. Its extensive connectivity options include 3 USB 3.0 ports, 2 Thunderbolt 4 USB-C ports, 2 HDMI ports, 2.5 gigabit per second Ethernet, and Wi-Fi 6E capabilities. As Intel's current flagship mini PC, the NuC12 Pro appeals particularly to users seeking customizable configurations. Perfect for dual monitor setups, this mini PC is an excellent choice for office tasks short of professional workstation requirements. With its compact size and powerful performance, the Intel NuC12 Pro is a versatile solution for a range of computing needs. Number 2 is the GMKtec NucBox K1, harnessing the formidable power of the Ryzen 7 6800H processor and its integrated Radeon 680mm GPU to remarkable effect. Sporting the same mobile processor found in many high-spec laptops, the K1 delivers performance comparable to the Beelink SER6 Pro 7735HS, equipped with the Ryzen 7 7735HS mobile CPU. Available as a barebone system, or pre-configured with up to 32 GB of memory and 1 TB of NVMe Gen 4 storage, the NucBox K1 offers flexibility to suit different user needs. However, it's worth noting that our review unit came with a single 16 GB memory module, which may limit performance compared to systems with dual-channel memory. Access for memory or storage upgrades is remarkably straightforward, requiring no screws for removal. The K1 also features a USB 4.0 port, although it's not Thunderbolt compatible. Despite this limitation, the K1's performance capabilities at its price point make it a standout choice for both home and office use, capable of handling a wide range of tasks with ease. Number 1 is the Ace Magician Mini Gaming PC, featuring an AMD Ryzen 5500U mobile CPU equipped with 7 AMD Radeon Vega graphics cores. This configuration delivers performance comparable to most budget-friendly gaming laptops, making it well-suited for handling esports titles like League of Legends or Counter-Strike. Global offensive at high frame rates. Additionally, it's capable of running other cloud-based and casual games with ease, while serious gamers may seek more powerful options, such as top-tier gaming laptops or gaming PCs. The Ace Magician Mini Gaming PC serves as an excellent choice for basic gaming needs in a bedroom or as a productivity machine. With 16 GB of DDR4 memory and a 512 GB SSD, this machine offers snappy and responsive performance for everyday use. Although slightly larger than some other mini PCs on the list, it's comparable in size to a console gaming system. Furthermore, the Ace Magician Mini Gaming PC boasts a unique aesthetic with fancy RGB lighting, setting it apart from its competitors. It comes pre-equipped with 3 different performance modes, allowing users to easily adjust noise levels and temperatures as needed. Each of these devices offers a distinctive blend of power, performance, and portability, catering to gamers, professionals, and anyone seeking a compact computing solution. Remember, the ideal mini PC for you hinges on your specific requirements and budget. Consider your intended usage, desired performance level, and budgetary constraints. With options spanning from budget-friendly choices to high-end powerhouses, the realm of mini PCs is brimming with versatility and excitement. Don't forget to show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing for more tech insights and reviews. We're committed to keeping you up to date with the latest and greatest in the tech world. Until next time, embrace the potential of compact computing and let it elevate your daily routine. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video, unveiling more tech treasures. Over and out.